Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off Android phone tracking you and listening. So if you think your Android phone is tracking you and listening to you, you can adjust several settings related to location, microphone access and app permissions. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on this option, see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. What you have to do is identify the application that you suspect is listening to you and tracking you. Once you do that, simply tap on that application. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to access the app info over here. Simply tap on the option permissions. Now you'll be led to the permissions interface. Make sure the permissions like microphone and location is not allowed over here. If they are allowed, what you have to do is simply tap on the permission that is allowed. After that, simply tap on the option don't allow. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the location and microphone access. Make sure to repeat the same process for all the application that you suspect is tracking you. Now after doing that, the applications will no longer track you or listen to you. You can also manage the Google's personalized ad settings and uses and diagnostics. For that, what you have to do is simply go back. Now in the settings interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for Google and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the Google Services interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, all services. Now you'll be able to see all the services over here. Simply scroll down. Find the section for privacy and security. Over here, you'll be able to find various options. Simply tap on this option, ads. Now you'll be led to the ads interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, what you have to do is simply find the option for reset advertising ID. So advertising ID is actually used by the Google in order to access your data so that they can give you the advertisement according to your choice. So if you reset it, Google will no longer track you. So simply tap on this option, reset advertising ID. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. This replaces the device's advertising ID with a new random number. Apps can still show you ads, but for a while they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. Simply tap on the confirm option. Now after you do that, the advertising ID will be reset. Now what you have to do is go back. Now in the same settings interface, what you have to do is find the option for uses and diagnostics and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, uses and diagnostics is toggled on. What you have to do is simply turn it off. So toggle off the button for uses and diagnostics. Now this will prevent your phone from sending diagnostic data. So like this, you'll be able to adjust the settings. After adjusting these settings, your Android phone will no longer track you or listen to you. So that is how you turn off Android phone tracking you and listening. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.